Wala, Jollibee!
Uy, Jollibee!
Jollibee!
Ayan, okay. So, ready na rin pong ipakita ni Best Friend Jollibee ang kanyang special dance number. Pero bago yan, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po muna sa kanya. Dancing with the tune of
Jollibee!
B, dance. Ayan, gagalaw po yan.
Jollibee, okay ka lang.
Jollibee! Wilos ka dyan. Ayan, baka pumasakit po siya ni Jollibee. Hindi niya po nakikita yung lower part niya. Thank you. Natin po sa next side.
Yeah!
Ulit, Jollibee, ulit. Kasi si Kali tumikit sa'yo, baka matamaan mo kasi. Alright, once again, isang malakas na palakpakan po for Best Friend Jollibee. Dancing with the tune of B, dance. Ayan, pakihawakan po muna natin yung mga Jollibees po natin. Hindi na siya Jollibees. Ayan, okay, baka po matamaan ni Best Friend Jollibee dahil hindi niya po nakikita ang kanyang lower part kapag siya po ay sumasayaw. For that wonderful dance. And this time, let us all move on to the main highlights of this event, ang blowing of candles.
Jollibee!
Ayan, napagod si Best Friend Jollibee. Okay, Jollibee, blowing candle na tayo. Ayan, okay, Mommy and Daddy, picture taking po tayo with Best Friend Jollibee kasama po ang ating birthday cake.
This Jollibee kitty party was made just for you.
Okay, Jollibee, group picture tayo kasama sila Mommy and Daddy.
Kali! Kali!
Without Kali naman, without Kali. Okay.
One, two, three, smile, Vanya! Smile! Si Vanya! Yeah!
Alright, and this time I request everyone to please stand up. Tumayo po tayong lahat dahil kakantahan po natin si Vanya ng Happy Birthday Song. And once na marinig niyo po ang Happy Birthday Song, let us all sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, at this time, isang masigat na sigla. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, and this this time, bago po i-blow ni Vanya ang kanyang candle, batingin po ulit natin siya ng isang malakas na happy birthday. 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Vanya!
Okay, happy birthday, Vanya. And this time, Mommy and Daddy, what is your birthday wish mo muna for Vanya?
My wish for Vanya is that Vanya to be smart, prayerful, and happy always. Yay!
Okay, so this time po, Mommy and Daddy, tulungan po natin si Vanya i-blow ang kanyang candle in the count of 3, 2, 1, and blow. Ayan, happy birthday, Vanya! Ayan, okay, thank you so much. And this time for all the guests, you may all take your seat. Mommy and Daddy, samahan lang po natin dyan si Vanya dahil mag-wish din po si best friend Jollibee para po sa ating birthday celebrant. So, Jollibee, wala na music. Okay, so how many birthday wish do you have for our birthday celebrant? You have? One. Paramihan mo naman. Marami yung wish ni Mami eh. 1. 8. Kaya mo 8. Bibigay ko yung 8. Sige ka. Oh. Kailangan 4 lang, Jollibee. Okay. Or, hindi. Ikaw ang wish. Okay, so let's start. For your first birthday wish, Vanya, when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to become na ikaw ay hindi. Hindi, at mas lalong hindi, magiging matigas ang ulo katulad ni best friend Jollibee. Ikaw, huwag na tayo magturuan. Ikaw lang, okay? At magmano at maging magalang sa mga nakakatanda. And always, lalong-lalo na kay Mommy and Daddy. Ayaw, parang naman po natin si best friend Jollibee. Okay, as for your second birthday wish, Vanya, when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to become na ikaw ay mas lalo pang gumanda, of course. At sumexy. And of course, flawless katulad nito. Another Daddy, Mommy, palakpakan mo natin si best friend Jollibee. And for your third birthday wish, Vanya, when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to become na ikaw ay hindi, at mas lalong hindi, kakain saan? Huwag kang tumingin. Huwag kakain sa kabila. Ayan, okay sa kabila. Okay. At, wag, magbe-birthday saan ulit? Doon sa kabila. Okay, sa kabila. Sa kabilang Jollibee po, dalawa po kasi yung Jollibee dito. Okay, at for your fourth and last birthday wish, Vanya, when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to become na tayo lahat ay maging always be happy like our best friend, Jollibee! Okay, thank you so much, Jollibee. And this time, it's time na naibigay mo yung birthday gift for our birthday celebrant. Ayan, ano ba yung gift mo, best friend Jollibee? Ayan, thank you so much, it's a Jollibee lang. Okay, best friend Jollibee, last picture taking with the lamb, with the cake, and of course, syempre kasama sila Mommy and Daddy. Ayan. Okay, closer to tayo, closer. Okay, everyone, look at the camera and look.
Kali, smile! Smile!
One more.
Smile!
Okay, Waki shot, everyone. In 3, 2, 1, Waki.
Waki! Smile! Okay.
Ayan, okay. Thank you so much. And this time, Mommy and Daddy, what is your thank you message for all the guests mo na pumunta sa birthday party po ni Vanya?
Thank you for coming with a short notice, so I really appreciate it. All the way to Eden. Thank you.
Okay, at this time, I would like you to thank you, Mommy and Daddy, dahil dito niya rin po napiling i-celebrate ang birthday po ni Vanya. And of course, sa lahat ng guests na sumali din po sa ating mga games, thank you din po dahil kung hindi po dahil sa inyo ay hindi magiging masaya at makahulugan ang araw ni Vanya. So once again, I am your party host, Kuya AJ together with the Smart Team, with Jollibee of course na nagsasabi, hanggang sa muling pagkikita dito po sa Jollibee Green Meadows. Mag-iingat po kayo sa pag-uwi and God bless us all po. Advance Merry Christmas na rin po sa lahat. Thank you so much. Alright, and this time, best friend Jollibee, as much as we want to spend more time with you, ay kailangan mo na magpaalam kay mommy, kay daddy, and of course sa ating birthday celebrant na si Vanya. Thank you so much Jollibee. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita dito sa Fairy Tale Live.